Hello everyone, this is Dave. Today we're doing a 60-second DIY collab with the amazing Suzy Stuff. She is the host today of our 60-second DIY, so why don't we put that clock up for 60 seconds? 3, 2, 1, let's go! I have wooden blocks here and I have this wooden pencil holder from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to add little spots of glue in the corners and put those cubes down to make little legs. And once the legs dry, I'm going to take my painter's tape and put them on an angle such that I have some sort of geometric design on here. So what I'm going to use is gold and silver paint for the two of them. So I'm just showing you how to do one here, but I did make two of them. One is silver and one is gold. So I've got that all laid down, and then I'm going to start painting the sides and the legs, and I'm going to keep one of the angles bare, if that makes any sense. Oh boy, Dave, come on, you've got like 15 seconds to go. Do you think I can do it? Of course I can. 10 seconds, oh my gosh, Dave, let's go, let's go, let's go. So once I finish painting all my sides, I'm gonna rip that tape off. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I did it. So here's my silver one and the gold one. And I have to say, I use these all the time for my glue sticks, for my pens, pencils, and scissors, and everything. I just love how these turned out, and I really do use them every single day that I craft. A special thank you to our host, Suzy's Stuff. Don't forget to check out her channel and her 60-second DIY. The link is below. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, why not give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.